Welcome to 80/20's Product Highlight Series. Today, we're going to take a look at tool and cup holders. The tool holder is perfect for power drills and drivers. It's a great addition to any workstation or mobile cart. The cup holder is almost identical and installs the same way, with the only difference being it has a closed bottom to hold smaller cups and bottles. They're easy to install, require no machining, and they're compatible with a wide range of profile series. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the holders are standalone parts and that bolt assemblies will be needed to install them. Recommended bolt assemblies can be found in the 80/20 product catalog. Now, when it comes to installing these holders, you're going to start with the clip, and you're going to preload some bolts and some T-nuts. Now, once you get that on there, we're going to actually slide that into the open T-slot. We'll get it into place. We'll grab our wrench, and then we'll tighten that down. Now, once you have that tightened down, you're going to take the holder itself and use the open slot on the back to lock it into place. Now, hopefully you found this segment on tool and cup holders helpful. For more information, please visit 8020.net and be sure to subscribe for future videos. And as always, make it a great day.